Want to unlock the true power of Terraform? In this video, I'll show you how to leverage Terraform functions to manipulate data and streamline your configurations. Let's make your infrastructure as code more dynamic and efficient. What are Terraform functions? Functions in Terraform are built-in tools that allow you to manipulate and work with different types of data. Whether you're working with strings, numbers, lists, or maps, functions can help you transform that data, making your configurations more flexible and reducing the need for repetitive code. These functions can be used to generate dynamic values, perform calculations, or handle data transformations. Let's walk through some of the most commonly used Terraform functions and how they can help you streamline your configurations. String functions. Upper function and lower function are used to change the case of text. Numeric functions. Min function and max function help to find the smallest or largest number. Collection functions. Length function gives the length of a list or map. Join function can merge elements of a list into a single string. Conditional expressions. This helps you apply logic in your configurations. These are just a few examples of how functions can improve the way you work with Terraform. One of the most powerful use cases for functions is creating dynamic, flexible configurations. Let's say you need to create dynamic resource names that depend on your environment or other variables. You can use the format function to make this easier. Here, format is used to generate a dynamic tag for the instance, such as appprod or appdev, depending on the value of var.env. Real-world use case. Imagine you're working with a team that has multiple cloud environments, development, staging, production, each with its own set of resource names, instance types, or configurations. Terraform functions allow you to easily switch between environments and generate values on the fly. For example, using a conditional expression and string functions, you can assign different instance types for different environments automatically. In production, you'll get an instance with the name app production and a larger instance type, while development gets app development with a smaller instance type. And that's it. You've just learned how to leverage Terraform functions to make your configurations more dynamic and flexible. If you missed our previous video on output variables, make sure to check it out and build a solid understanding of Terraform Essentials. Stay tuned for the final part in this series, where we'll dive into working with local values in Terraform.